Have you come across Qinux WaterBlitz and are considering buying it? Before placing an order, let's take a closer look. Is this product really worth the hype, or just another clever gadget? In this video, I'll walk you through the key points so you can decide if it's worth your money. Qinux WaterBlitz is a pressure-boosting water jet attachment that promises to transform any standard garden hose into a high-powered cleaning tool. Using hydropower technology, it claims to deliver extreme water pressure without needing electricity or batteries. According to the brand, it can instantly eliminate dirt, grime, and stains from vehicles, patios, outdoor furniture, and more. Sounds convenient, right? But let's break it down step by step before you decide to buy. Check the product listing carefully. Is it being sold at a steep discount or bundled into limited time offers? Flashy deals like 50% off today only are often used to rush your decision. Make sure there's clear return and refund information available. Inspect the product images. Do the images show the product in real-world usage, with close-ups of the attachment and how it connects to different hoses? Scam products often use generic stock photos, so check for consistency and quality in the images. Read the product description thoroughly. Does it explain how hydropower technology works? Does it mention what kind of material the nozzle is made from, or how it handles different cleaning tasks? A legitimate listing should include technical details, usage instructions, and cleaning capacity. Research the brand or seller. Visit the website's About Us section. Look for a real company name, a verifiable address, and details about how long they've been in business. If it's filled with vague claims like "we make life easier" and offers no contact details, that's a red flag. Verify the contact information. Can you find a working phone number, a business email, not just Gmail or Yahoo, and a physical address you can confirm on Google Maps? Try reaching out to customer support. If you don't get a response, or if the only option is a contact form, be cautious. Check for real customer feedback. Don't just trust testimonials on the product site. Look for reviews on YouTube, Amazon, or third-party sites like Trustpilot. If reviews look copied or overly positive with little detail, they might be fake. Also, watch out for complaints about leaks, breakage, or ineffective pressure. Check when the website was created. Use a domain checker to see if the site selling Qinux WaterBlitz is brand new. Many scam websites pop up and disappear quickly. A recent registration date and no customer history are big warning signs. Final thoughts on Qinux WaterBlitz. It looks like a promising product for quick, efficient outdoor cleaning, but only if it's sold by a legitimate seller. If anything feels off, like vague product info, lack of company details, or suspicious reviews, it's best to investigate further before purchasing. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others avoid online product traps. Let me know in the comments if you've tried the Qinux WaterBlitz or found a better alternative.